Now only Northerner go fit win Presido seat for PDP for 2023. High Chief Raymond Dokpesi don talk as GSS1 student for Ekiti State don carry their government go court. Plus Naija comedy actor don kpai from poison as Naija football people don cut chain for FIFA. My sabi country people, I salute una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening. Sake of the time when e be say the time be now on top that una location. We all for the look us for our pidgin tori informate on top with Ogbonge TV channel when be KTV News 24 Naija. I beg you, if this one is the first time you be say take dey jam our news video like this, make you quick subscribe for our YouTube channel when be KTV News 24 Naija. Na me una country brother Stanley Okocha Eropadamen. Na me still dey on top the tori when don shele now for inside Naija to Nakuna. Now make we quick jump enter the tori wella as e take shele. One big oga for inside the main opposition political party for Naija, the People's Democratic Party (PDP), Chief Raymond Dokpesi don talk say dem party get better chance to win back power if dem bring out their candidate for the north part for inside Naija for the 2023 vote. The People's Democratic Party don first rule the country for 16 years before they come lost the power to the All Progressive Congress (APC) for the 2015 vote. Sake of that one, the APC comes in with the 2019 presidential vote. But as the 2023 vote don dey come near, the PDP don dey hold strong plan meeting plus correct arrangement with strong politicians dem to take make sure say dem win back power when 2023 election vote go come reach. Sake of this one, so many people don dey talk say make power waka go from north to south for inside all the political parties when e be say dem dey for inside Naija. Na all this one make High Chief Dokpesi talk for one interview when him do with our tori man say the PDP members dem when they talk say make the party give their presidential ticket to south, only they talk like that sake of say dem like to copy the All Progressive Congress (APC) members to talk say make Presido seat waka go south sake of say Presido Muhammadu Buhari time go expire for inside 2023. Oga Dokpesi when still be the chairman emeritus for the African Independent Television (AIT) come still talk join say no way im party go fit win the 2023 presidential vote if dem bring person for south of Naija. Him talk to our tori person like this with him own mouth. We all na Naija people we be. No need when we go dey deceive ourselves for inside this time when we dey now. For inside the 70 years old when I don dey now plus all the sense when I don gather for campaign when I don arrange for this country, I go fit tell you say unless we get one person for north when we go give ticket, PDP no go fit win the vote for 2023. For the side of the people when they talk say make we carry the presidential position go for south sake of dem get for mind for say dem wan contest, I go say dem only dey allow wetin APC wan do. For APC, President Muhammadu Buhari don do 8 years. E go dey better for APC to carry Presido power go for south. For the side of the PDP, make we look am with open mind. Before President Olusegun Obasanjo when come from south west do 8 years. Goodluck Jonathan when come from south do 6 years. Altogether that one na 14 years. For the other side, Umaru Yar'Adua from north do 3 years. That one mean say we get 11 years when no make am balance. If to say dem no use wuruwuru take remove Atiku Abubakar for the 2019 vote, if for say im wan come back for 2023 for second time, anybody for no stand for im way if to say im talk like that. For PDP to get power back, the presidential candidate must come for north for 2023. Make people get patience, e go still come back to south. But the one when e concern Igbo Presido for Naija, Chief Dokpesi come talk say im for like make southeast Naija bring person for the Presido seat vote sake of say na dem be the only area wey never taste the seat for south Naija since 1999. But the truth be say Southeast no go fit win the presido seat inside this time. Na so High Chief Raymond Dokpesi talk. For inside Ekiti State, one JSS1 student from Mary Immaculate Secondary School Ado Ekiti, when dem dey call Gift Agenoisa, don drag the state government go court sake of say im school suspend am for indiscipline plus say im papa plus mama go the school go beat teachers. For inside the matter wey get court number HAD/01/CRO/2021 when the student mama when dem dey call Mrs. Odunayo Agenoisa for the JSS1 student talk say the suspension when the government give am after im papa plus im mama beat some teachers dem for inside the school sake of the punishment when dem first give am sake of say im no dress well plus come cause one big indiscipline don touch for im own human right. Dey claim for inside the court matter say the school treat the girl bad like say im no be human being sake of say dem come give am 20 stroke of cane for body wey come make im body come dey pain am well so that e come get plenty wunjure for inside im body. Im say the school do all this one sake of say dem talk say im bab hairstyle wey no follow rule at all for the school. The people when e be say dem come join for inside the court matter come be the school principal when im name be Oluwasami FM Mrs. The commissioner for education wey be Dr. Oluwabimpe Aderiye, the Ekiti State Teaching Service Commission plus the Ekiti State government when e be say dem come knack put to be first, second, third plus fourth respond people for inside the matter. Sake of the matter so the student plus im family dey ask make the court tell the people when e suspend am from school to pay dem 15 million naira on top of the damage when e be say im don get on top of the suspension plus make the school quick take am back as their student plus dem go allow am dey enjoy all the things when e be say other students for the school dey enjoy. Sake of the way the matter dey, the case bin don start before for Justice Lekan Ogunmoye for the Ekiti State High Court last Thursday, but dem come shift the matter to September 22, 2021 when the court go hear am. For inside we entertainment tori side, the family of the Nollywood comedy actor when im name be Stanley Okoro when e be say e kpai for inside last week don talk say na poison dem take kill the film actor. According to the sister when e be say dem dey call Okoro Nneka Lovett wey still be cousin to am, the comedy actor kpai after dem poison am for inside one of their film location when e be say dem dey do for inside Enugu State where im be go join shoot film. The sister come still talk join say the reason dem fit poison am be say the comedy actor like food well sake of say anytime when e be say e dey Enugu e dey always call am or one of their other cousin to always bring food for am, and e come talk say why dem feel say na poison dey poison the actor so be say after im don comot from the set for Enugu go back to Owerri when e dey stay, na there e come begin dey vomit before dem rush am e come kpai. For we sport tori side, many Naija pipo don cut chain sake of say the World Football Government Body wey dem dey call FIFA hail one of their Naija football legend Austin JJ Okocha the way when e be say dem no like. According to many of the Naija pipo, the way dem talk, dem say dem no like the way FIFA take call JJ Okocha African Ronaldinho as im be say dem dey try to congratulate am as the midfield player knack 48 years birthday. This one as the Naija pipo talk say invest dem well sake of say the Naija legend na person wey e be say e make name by im own self, no be don dey go there another country player name to their own legend when e be say dem dey respect well and im don pay e dues for the time when e be say im dey play for the country Naija. FIFA on their own congratulate JJ Okocha sake of say im knack 48th birthday, and dem come talk for their Twitter handle when they take congratulate am say the player too get football skill sotey dem come give am two name JJ. Country people, na here our tori for break leg on top this time. We wan thank una for the time business don take watch this our news story since, and for all the time business dey watch all the one wey be say we dey always knack give una. We wan still thank all our subscribers for all the time business they don dey subscribe, and we dey promise una say we go always dey knack una ogbonge hot tori as dem dey shele. For you wey never subscribe, abeg make you quick subscribe now on top our YouTube channel wey be KTV News 24 Naija. After you don subscribe, make you no forget to put your finger for the notification bell so that you go continue dey get hot ogbonge news story as dem dey shele from around the world. We dey can give you one time. We want to tell una say na Great Leaders International School for Benin when e dey for 44 Odemobo Street when you comot hand for Ogemeken Road for inside St. Saviour area. Na still put am for we back when we take knack this story informate for pidgin give una for inside this time. Until the next news story wey be say we go see jam body again. My name na Stanley Okocha Eropadame on top KTV News 24 Naija. I salute una well, una well done.